My lord, government land sold in Sirampur, registered in Calcutta. My lord, at a price which is less than 2 lakhs. After I filed the writ petition, my lord, I was thrashed mercilessly. I was put to the hospital.
Dealer was saying here, these land, my lord, these LR plots, they do not belong, they are not the vested land of the government, but belongs to some Rayati lands.
I have given the list of these names as my witnesses in my case to the investigating officer. Now, instead of adding them as witnesses, my lord, investigating officer started chasing and hounding them, so much so that they had to go and file for anticipatory bail, which was turned down. My lord, I have for the petition.
Yes.
They beg to reprint the state respondent, lord.
Chalo, you know.
My lord, I have filed the complaint, my lord,
Cholo na.
disclosing the fact that, my lord, government land is being sold illegally. Against, my lord, a memo passed by the government itself that no sanction or mutation of land is possible under the specific areas. My lord, this is the first complaint was lodged in the year 2015 by another person, my lord, against the same accused persons against
Case and counter case is there.
Yes, my lord. Each time I file a complaint, there has been counter cases. My lord, my list of witnesses have been made accused persons in my case. My lord, I have made a representation to the higher
Is
up
the
of the police.
representation.
Kindly seize page 90. Kindly seize page 90. It's just one page.
90 is 29th of November 2020.
My lord, kindly seize what is there.
Ah.
Kindly, my lord. Kindly. That will give your lordship an insight.
Interrogate the chairman who was at the helm of the. Yes, sir.
My lord, government land sold in Sirampur, registered in Calcutta. My lord, at a price which is less than 2 lakhs. And there, my lord, the official price is 22 lakhs per katha.
So what you want the police to do? That is
My
a
lord,
separate.
I want the police to investigate my complaint properly, which is Sirampur PS case number 53 of 23. My lord, kindly, here is my supplementary affidavit.
No.
Each time, my lord, I try to aid the investigation.
Yeah.
Either, my lord, my witnesses are made accused.
No, I have
or,
not
my
been served with a copy of the supplementary.
Supplementary.
My lord, this writ
Yeah,
petition,
respect-
after I filed the writ petition, my lord, I was thrashed mercilessly. I was put to the hospital. That is the supplementary affidavit.
the
I filed
copies to the-
May I respectfully hand over the updated report? Yes, sir.
Updated report, let me see.
Lordship, this report dated, my lord, 29 November, my lord, 2024. Lordship, may I respectfully hand over to your lordship? My lord, report goes like this, my lord, that petitioner is a de facto complainant in one of the, my lord, FIRs. My lord, the pith and substance of allegation is that government vested lands are being sold, lordship. My lord, that the FIR was registered, my lord, in the year 2023. Two accused persons were there. They were, my lord, arrested, my lord, subsequently enlarged on statutory bail, lordship. Now, my lord, the victim purchasers, my lord, they were, my lord, put on 164 statement, lordship. From these, their statements, my lord, some names cropped up, my lord. My lord, so, my lord, we were after this particular people to arrest them, my lord. And they were also, my lord, mentioned one fictitious person who is not in existence. Now, my lord, over this issue, my lord, as well as two writ petitions have been filed and disposed of. One writ petition direction was that the state government was directed, you approach the concerned DLLRO and BLRO to get the land details. The second writ petition was, my lord, that this investigation has to be done by a police not below the rank of ACP in the year 2023. So that has been done, my lord. The investigation is not being done by ACP, my lord, to my lord, in compliance with the order of the writ petition. Now, my lord, now comes, my lord, the criminal revision applications, my lord. Who are those, my lord? Those 164 statements of victim purchasers. He named some of the persons. So those persons started coming with, my lord, criminal revision applications. The first was in, my lord, in the year, my lord, 2023 November. So he got stay of arrest. Now, subsequently, my lord, the two section C, my lord, CRR comes up. There, my lord, the other accused also have been given the benefit of that particular stay of arrest, no coercive measure, my lord, interim measure. So this particular CRRs finally is to come for final hearing, my lord, on this 20th November 2024. So these criminal divisional applications are pending. So, my lord, what we did, if your lordship, if I may respectfully invite your lordship, my lord, to, my lord, page, my lord, 2 of the report, lordship. May I respectfully invite your lordship to page 2 of the report, my lord? The penultimate paragraph, my lord, lordship. As per the Honorable High Court's order dated 26 September 2023, you made a copy. I am handing over a copy of this report. In connection with so and so, my lord, As per the re-endorsement, Assistant Commissioner of Police to Serampur took up the investigation. So, he takes the investigation in the year 2023. Next page, kindly sees the development, Lordship. This gentleman, the de facto complainant who is the writ petition before Lordship, he comes up for an amicable settlement, files a compromise petition, in the pending, criminal revision petition. So, what was the result of that amicable settlement petition? Kindly sees, if I may respectfully invite your Lordship to page 14, 1/4 of the report. It's an order of the Honorable Coordinate Bench, Lordship. So this de facto complainant, the petitioner before Lordship, he comes up with a compromise petition. Kindly sees, page 14. Joint petition, compromise for taking up hearing. And finally, the result is, kindly sees at page 16, accordingly, the compromise petition being prima facie not maintained at this stage, the same at disposal. So this petitioner, once upon a time, he comes up with a compromise petition. Not maintainable. Now, subsequently, what this ACP does, on 29 November, January 2024, we collected the reports from the concerned BLRO. They say, kindly have a look at page 3 of the report, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth paragraph, Lordship, kindly sees. This is the last update of 16th February 2024. At page 3, fourth paragraph, from the top. They say, BLRO say, these land, these LR plots, they do not belong, they are not the vested land of the government, but belongs to some Rayati lands. So now, since, now the case of the investigation of this case is, pending. Now, finally, if your Lordship may kindly comes to, the penultimate paragraph of page 3, on 18th December 2023 comes up another FIR, my Lordship. In this FIR, my Lord, this writ petitioner is also one of the accused. And my Lord, this particular
this is good. Let the
FIR has been charge sheeted.
Over hearing, number of things have happened, sir. No, you have come for compromise one. This is fact.
No, my lord, I have come for a compromise with my witnesses. Before they were made accused persons, I gave out the list of these names.
Whatever it is.
Kindly comes to page 84 for once.
So, I will come to that. I'll see that because you have in this revisional application CRR 3244 of 2023. It's transparent from the order that the de facto complaint wants to compromise the proceeding in respect of the petitioners in the said divisions.
Because, my lord, they are my witnesses. They have been made accused persons. Kindly comes to page 84.
How can you do that, sir?
No, my lord, kindly comes to page 84. I have given the list of these names as my witnesses in my case to the investigating officer. Now, instead of adding them as witnesses, my lord, investigating officers started chasing and hounding them so much so that they had to go and file for anticipatory bail, which was turned down.
So then you file a complaint case, sir. Difficulty is this, that it's the investigating officer's prerogative whom will make the accused. You have come up with a complaint, sir. Complaint is in the nature of forgery. Forgery results in transfer of property and beneficiary to certain persons who are not entitled under the law. These are basic core accusations. The police has taken, prima facie, police has taken steps, maybe to your satisfaction, maybe to your dissatisfaction. Let this be on affidavit before this court, since this is not the first round of litigation. Further, according to him, there is an interim order in revisional applications pending. Now, I cannot pass an order.
We have annexed that, my lord, yes.
I am not saying you are suppressing,
No,
but I cannot ignore that order. Either I have got to refer it to the same court which is insisting of the matter, or you go for exchange of affidavits, come up with because what order I will pass?
I will respectfully submit, Lordship. My learned
let this
friend.
investigation at least be monitored by the court.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
No, that
The
is
other
question.
FIR.
My lord,
In the other-
my lord, just one second. My lord, over these same plots of land, 2015, someone else filed a complaint. That there, my lord, charges were submitted against the same accused persons here. Over the same set of allegations, same land. 2015.
Sirampur charge sheet number 112/24 dated 28/3/2024 is in respect of which case?
In respect of, my lord, the subsequent FIR which was
Yes.
filed by one Asghar Ali.
This case is
But, my
waiting.
lord, my learned friend FIR, my learned friend's FIR,
What
Milord,
is-
he is praying for transfer of the case to some other agency. Milord, kindly sees the Milord progress, Milord, which the Milord, the investigating agency has has
what
done.
is that case number?
That is Milord 53 of
53.
53 of 2023. 53 of 2023. That is a de facto complaint. Is
After that, my lord, subsequent to
So, my
lodging
lord-
of 53, all other complaints.
so
were
once
dropped
he is
out.
coming up for compromise petition,
No, I
then
have
Milord, he is
Now,
coming.
my
now,
paper. They are
1
my
minute.
witnesses.
This CRR 4421 of 2023 is in respect of this 53 case number.
Yes.
Lordship, because they are the warranties.
Yes.
We obtained warrant of arresting and all these accused persons, my lord. So they, my lord,
They are
started
my
coming.
witnesses. Why will you chase them?
They have started coming
Why
before
will
the
you
honorable
chase
court and started
Why
taking
will you
history of
chase
arrest.
them? He did not even have a clue who is there.
But the scope of the present writ petition is he wants
Yeah,
the
you-
transfer of
You
investigation.
file this this report in the form of an affidavit because the supplementary affidavit has been submitted. এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। A report owed submitted aid by the state be returned. State who owed file.
তাহলে ওটা
A supplementary affidavit has also been filed by
Yes, my lord, I handed over copy.
on behalf of the petitioner. In view of the supplementary affidavit filed, I direct the state to submit the report in the form of a short affidavit, enclosing whatever documents they intend to rely upon.
and my lord, exception if any to the supplementary affidavit also. My
The-
learned friend is
the-
telling he has been thrashed.
Obviously, case has been registered.
Exception, let such affidavit be filed by কত 18 December 18 December
আমরা
by
reply দেবো।
possible
My lordship kindly give some more time.
up when
Prior to vacation, my lord, by 20th we should
ঠিক
file.
আছে দুদিনের জন্য আচ্ছা ওই by 20th December 2024 exception if any be filed by 6th of January 2025 list the writ petition want to file an objection after that to the exception
Sure.
objection if any,
Rejoinder to.
rejoinder to the exception be filed no one more week আইলে ছ তো বললাম 13 করে দিই। না 6th ও ফাইল করবে ও তো এক্সেপশন খালি তারপর রিজয়েন্ডার টু দ্য এক্সেপশন ওটা করে দাও 13th January ম্যাডাম বি লিস্টেড আন্ডার দ্য হেডিং ফর অর্ডার্স অন ওই 14th of January 2020
Lordship.
I'm grateful.